Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Canva versus VideoScribe. We'll explore their core functionalities, ease of use, and what makes each platform unique. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool best suits your creative projects. We'll delve into their respective strengths, from graphic design versatility to specialized animation capabilities, helping you make an informed decision for your next visual content endeavor. Let's get started. Canva shines with its incredible versatility, offering thousands of templates for everything from social media posts to presentations and print materials. It boasts a massive library of stock photos, videos, and graphic elements, making design accessible to everyone. You can effortlessly create static images, short videos, and even animated graphics. Canva provides a robust free tier, and its Pro version unlocks even more advanced tools and content, catering to a wide range of design needs. VideoScribe, on the other hand, is a master of whiteboard animation, allowing you to produce professional-looking videos with ease. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface simplifies adding images, text, and music to bring your stories to life. The software includes a large library of pre-drawn images, and you can also import your own custom assets. VideoScribe offers a free trial to get you started, followed by flexible subscription plans for full access to its powerful animation features. So, which tool is better for you? Choose Canva if your primary need is diverse graphic design, creating engaging social media content, or quick video edits. Opt for VideoScribe if your main goal is to produce compelling whiteboard animation videos with a unique visual style. Consider your specific project requirements, your budget, and the type of visual storytelling you aim to achieve. Both tools offer distinct advantages, making the better choice entirely dependent on your creative objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.